Hello everyone, this is Amit, your local real estate agent here in the Portland, Oregon market area. In this video today, I'm going to break down some market stats of September of 2025 in Lake Oswego area. So if you're living in Lake Oswego thinking of buying, selling, or just interested, this video is going to be specifically for you. So this is what we going to look into. What is home actually selling for? How long is taking for homes to sell? What is happening with the luxury homes versus the starter homes, and what is all mean if you're thinking about buying or selling. First thing we're going to do is a market snapshot. So right now the Lake Oswego median sale price is about $1,040,000. So it's compared to last year, it's 5% less than what it was last year. Homes are also selling faster. The average days on market in this year is 16 days. Compared to last year, which was 24. On average, houses selling about 98.7% of the asking price, of the list price, which is slightly more higher than last year. And nearly 23% of homes are also selling above asking price, which is really good. But here where it gets interesting, while the home shows that houses selling more quickly, the median home price currently that is listed right now is currently much more higher. It's about 1.54 million. There is right now about 212 active listings in Lake Oswego area. And those listings, they're sitting a little bit longer than usual. Those average days on market for those homes is about 84 days. And the average days is 116. So while home sales are selling fast, there is a lot of homes that still sit on the market. And why is that? They may be overpriced or just not marketed correctly. The second thing we're going to talk about is trends and buyer demand. When we break it down by price point, we see two different stories. Home prices under $1 million are still very competitive. They move very quickly, and most of them have also some multiple offer situations. But in the luxury market for homes 2 million and above, the inventory is actually flipping up. There is right now 7.7 months of inventory active on the market, which really tips that segment more into a buyer's market versus a seller's market. People today are still being more cautious when it comes to buy a luxury home because the interest rates, and they're also shopping smarter. We are seeing right now more price reductions even in some new constructions home, and some of them are big price reductions in the tens and even more than 100,000, depends on the home price. The third thing that we're going to talk about is how Lake Oswego market compares to the Portland metro. Now, if we zoom out a little bit and we look overall, how is the Portland metro market? The median sale price is around 555,000. And that is a much lower entry point comparing to Lake Oswego, almost by half. So while the Portland market is still steady, Lake Oswego still become to be one of the most resilient, competitive, and one of the most best places in the metro. That is driven by the lifestyle, the best schools, and just Lake Oswego is one of the best places to live in the area. So let's talk right now how all of that gonna affect the sellers. The good news is that the demand is still very high, but what you need to do is to be more strategic when it's coming to selling your home. The homes that price correctly and are marketed correctly, selling fast for asking price and sometimes even above asking price. If your home is overpriced, you're taking a big risk of your house sitting on the market for months, and then buyers think that there is something wrong with your house. And in fact, the only thing wrong that is with your house is the price. The strategy here is first, price it correctly, prepare your home correctly, and make sure that there is an aggressive marketing plan to get the house sold. And what is that meaning for buyers? In the bottom line, it's all coming down to what is your price point. If you are looking for a house under $1 million, you need to be ready to move fast, to be pre-approved and ready, and to make a strong offer. And if you're looking for a more luxury home for 2 million and above, you have some more room for negotiations. Those extra days on market can actually come for your benefit, and you will be able to get a better price and in better terms as well. So here is the bottom line. The Lake Oswego market is still very strong, but there is a lot of nuances. The entry home are actually moving quickly, while the higher luxury homes giving buyers some leverage. So if you're a homeowner in Lake Oswego and you want to know how much your home is worth in today's market, reach out to me so I can give you a free home valuation. And on the other side, if you're buying and you want to find the perfect fit for you, I would love to help you as well so we can find the perfect home for you. Before we finish this video, I just want to give you some key stats that we went through on the video, just to kind of like summarize. So the median sale price for the houses in Lake Oswego is $1,040,000, 5% down from last year. The median days on market closed sales is 16 days, and it used to be 24 last year. Sell to lease ratio is 98.7%, which is very high. The percent above list price, people that are getting offers above list price, is 22.9%. Active listing right now in Lake Oswego area is 212. Median list price is $1,540,000, and the median days on market for active listing is 84 right now, and average 116. So luxury homes is 2 million plus in price. Right now there is active inventory of 7.7 months, and the Portland Metro median sale price is $555,000. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you find it really helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe share it with some friends, family that may be interested in that video as well. I post weekly videos about tips for buyers, sellers. Also, I post some stats, so make sure to click the bell for further videos so you will be notified. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.